Yo, what's good guys? If you don't know me already, my name is Yona Wisdom. I'm a Jamaican diver. I spent the last 5 days reflecting on my performances at the Commonwealth Games. I kind of filmed my 3-meter performance from 1 week ago today, and I was trying to work out how I could make this vlog better and more exciting, but I just couldn't work out how to do that because it's quite hard to find the positives and find the excitement from a disappointing performance. With that being said, I've decided to just kind of put it together and do the best that I can with it. Hopefully what comes across is how I really felt after the event, which is difficult to watch for me because you never want to see anyone feeling like that, and never mind yourself. So let's rewind to 1 week ago today when I competed on the 3-meter at the Commonwealth Games. Yo guys, what's good? It's a new day, new vlog, new event, new challenge. This time a little bit higher but on the 3-meter springboard. Time to get it going again. Reflections on last night. Could have been a lot worse. I'm happy with 4th, but yeah, let's try and bring more on 3-meter.
This boy did very well. I did very well.
Thank you, Matt. Come here, give me that. So he did well as well. Or made that difficult. I think everyone made it difficult. But I made it through to the final, which is good. And I know what I need to step up on basically. Mistakes weren't huge. They were just silly. That's an outdoor prelim for you, I think. You never ever give up in it, Jack. You never give up. You just gotta try and keep on going and try and keep on putting those dives as close to upright as possible, and you never know what might happen because we had some major drama in that prelim, major drama. But I got through, and the final is later on again, so gotta rest up, recover, and bring the fire this afternoon. Jesus, why do I do this sport? Mad frustrating, man. So frustrating sometimes. Oh, alright. Peace. Mixed emotions, leaving it with mixed emotions. I kind of mentioned it briefly in my Instagram picture that this is the first competition I've come to aiming realistically for a medal, and that was a different mindset to how I usually enter a competition. Usually I come into a competition just trying to do the best that I can, do 6 good quality dives and see where that gets me. and not really worrying about the result as long as I'm happy with the performance. This time I was a bit too focused on the result. I think that was the major problem. And that kind of comes down to the way I set my goals pre-competition. I was focused a bit too much on the outcome goal rather than the process goal. And the process goal is so important, because if you don't go through the correct steps of the process, you aren't going to achieve the outcome. Yeah, a learning curve. Definitely learned a lot about myself, and that's the most important thing. Take everything and turn that into a lesson. Whether it's good, whether it's bad, you turn it into a lesson. And that's the most I've gained out this week. Even though that 4th place is not a bad place to finish, 9th place is a little bit disappointing. I improved on what I did last time, and I've taken a load of lessons that I can take into my next competition. I'm sure, as you can hear in my voice, I've been having a little bit of fun since the competition finished, and that's great. I'm enjoying Australia. I've still got a few days left out here before I fly back home. And once I get back home, it's straight back into training, getting ready for the World Cup, which is coming up at the start of June in China. So hard work's gonna go into that again. I'm gonna take everything that I've learned and try and just make myself better next time around.